All right, keep us updated, please. Well, from yesterday through this coming Saturday, it's another sales tax-free week here in Connecticut, which is the first time that's happened in April. Bottom line, most clothing and footwear that sells for under $100 is exempt from sales tax this week.
Fox 61's Tony Terzi joining us live from New Haven with more on the savings available this week in Connecticut. Hi, Tony.
Lots of activity we're hearing in stores, whether it be malls or local brick and mortar stores today, because of sales tax-free week and the fact that kids are off from school in many systems this week. The reason we're having an additional sales tax-free week is due largely to the fact that there are American Rescue Plan funds available. From individual stores to shopping malls, sales tax-free week appears to be off to a good start.
We typically see about a 20 to 25% uptick in traffic every year for the tax-free week in August. So we're grateful to have this week.
The commissioner of the Department of Revenue Services estimates this sales tax-free week will cost the state just over $4 million in revenue. But the governor says it's within the state's budget to offer this relief.
Look, it's been tough. It's been tough on the consumer. Inflation is rough.
This April sales tax-free week is a bit different from the annual August one in that sales of certain items of clothing or footwear, primarily designated for athletics or protective use, are not subject to tax this week.
We do appreciate that the exemption this week allows for track spikes and athletic equipment, athletic footwear that is specific to a sport.
Some state Republican lawmakers have proposed that the state sales tax be reduced from 6.35% to 5.99% for the rest of 2022.
ARPA rules, would permit that, but we'd have to take away another tax cut under those same ARPA rules. So if they want to suggest doing a half a point on sales tax and don't do ending the income tax on pensions, we have to do a trade-off.
Now, just to be clear, there has to be an item that's below $100. Okay, so if you go into a store and the item is $180, you don't get sales tax free for the first $100. It's anything under $100. We're live here in New Haven. Tony Terzi, Fox 61 News.